Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Technical Smith, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video I am going to learn how to buy a hot wax from Daraz app. So let's start our video. So first of all you have to install the Daraz app on your mobile phone. After that you have to open the Daraz app and search here in the search box. Here I am writing here hot wax. After writing hot wax you have to search for that, and you can see it basically different samples are came in front of you. So basically here see it, you can see it different samples are came in front of you. So basically I am going to click on this one. You can see it here see it. So you can see it here three samples are available in this one, first one in front of you. So basically video demo is also given here. So basically if you want to watch a video, then here to click on this video option. Here should basically hot wax in front of you. Here is another sample, you can see it, and here is another one, you can see it, and here is the last sample in front of you. So basically here you can see it hot wax bean 100 gram packet, you can see it. So basically we talk about the price of this one, then we see it PKR rupees 289 rupees. If we talk about the original price, then original price is PKR rupees 399 rupees, but after 28% off you can buy it only in PKR 289 rupees. So here should basically Daraz verified, get exactly what you ordered, brand detail brands, details brand, no brand. So here should basically if we talk about the rating, then you see it here 4.9 out of which 5 stars are given here based on 20 reviews. So you can see it here 480 is already sold and 36 people love this product. So here should basically get it today, order within 18 minutes, free delivery 12 September to 13 September on minimum spend of rupees 1000 from same store. So here should basically delivery 92% positive review, you can see it here. Product promotion is also available, you can see it 100% off, minimum spend rupees 5000, a cap at rupees 1000. So here should basically end in 11 hours 16 minutes and 15 seconds. So basically if you want to collect this product promotion, then you have to click on this collect option. Bank promotion, bank vouchers available, click to collect, you can see it here. So frequently bought together, you can see it, a different sample are also showing in front of you, and more like this option is also given here, you can see it basically in front of you. So basically if we talk about the specification, then you can see it here, brand, no brand, ideal usage not specified, and SKU number is also given here. So basically here see it, delivery. So basically you have to select your location, you can see it, on which you want to get this parcel, and get it today, you can see it 8 p.m. enjoy free shipping promotion with minimum spend of rupees 799 from deliver. So here typically rupees 98 is service charges, service Daraz verified, get exactly what you ordered, 7 days return, change of mind is not applicable, and warranty is not available. So basically we talk about the rating and review, then you see it here 20 reviews are given here, out of which some of them are given below. यू कैन सीट फर्स्ट वन बाय दिलावर भी बहुत अच्छी है, इतने प्राइस में बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है, यू कैन सीट मैं तो ये सजेस्ट करूँगा, इतनी प्राइस में बेस्ट है ये, यू कैन सीट हेयर. So sample are also showing in front of you. You can see it hot bags in purple color. Here is another one. You can see it inside. You can see it. Here is the last sample. You can see it in front of you. So here is another one. You can see it by Imran K. Same as shown. This is not for upper lips. You can see it here. Box. You can see it Daraz packing. Here is another sample. You can see it inside of that. Here you see it basically. So basically couple of samples are given here in front of you. You can see it another one. Nice product in cheap price. Happy to buy. Order again. Seller deserve 5 stars. So here should basically questions about this product. You can see it 10 questions already asked. So how to use it? Can you explain me? So basically here see it. Please watch YouTube tutorials by searching how to use wax bean. You will get many videos. So here basically if you want to ask any question, then you have to click on this ask question option. Highlights, you can see it here, brand, no brand, and the depilatory wax excellent for strong and fine hairs, contain moisturizer excellent for dry skin, large fixed roller head is ideal for leg waxing, provide a thin economic and hygienic application developed for all types of skin, for hair removal on all body parts. Basically if you have to buy this one, then you see the add to cart option at the bottom of the screen. You have to click on this add to cart option for buying this hot wax. Thanks for watching this video.